Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. Those who don't know me, I'm Bradley. This is my company BDesign's channel. Today we're going to take a look at After Effects and create this. Okay, to start, let's create a new composition. Let's name this Fast Flash. I'm using 1920 by 1080 resolution at 24 frames per second. Let's make the duration 5 seconds long. Press OK. Come over here and right click. And up to new, create new solid. Let's name this background. We leave all the settings. Let's change the solid's color to something bright. Press OK. Now let's make this look sexy and add a gradient. So look up 4-color gradient and apply it to your background by double clicking it. Okay, let's come over here and change the color of the background. I'm going to use a dark blue to match my logo. You use whatever color you want. Now use the eyedropper to make the other two the same color, but the 4th color, make it whatever you'd like. I'm going to use a dark purple to match my logo. Then move this point outside the artboard to give it this nice glow effect. Okay, now go back to project. Then let's bring in our logo. Move the logo on top of your background. Right click and pre-compose. Always pre-compose your logos. And move all attributes into the new composition. Go to the 3-second mark. Press R and S for rotation and scale. Put down keyframes for both. Go back to the beginning. And make the scale larger. To your preference of how big you want your logo. Now go back to rotation and change the value to 50. Now you can press the spacebar to preview your animation. Open all keyframes with U. Highlight all your keyframes and press F9 to easy ease them. Now preview your animation. Go back up to Effects and Presets and search for the Vegas effect. Apply this to your logo layer. Let's change some settings. Change blend mode to transparent, segments to 1, and image contours. Then go down to channel and change that to value. Now you can use the length to see your animation. check random phase if you want your animation to be more random. Okay, now I'm going to change my stroke color to a purple to match my logo. Press OK. Change the end opacity value to 0.2. Now you can preview your animation so far. You can do this by pressing the spacebar. Let's go back to the 3-second mark. And put a keyframe down for width and length. Go back to the beginning. Change the width amount to 35. And change the length to 0. Now press U to show all keyframes. Go to the width keyframe, go to 3 seconds and move it to 2 seconds. Now highlight all keyframes and press F9 to easy ease them. Now press the logo layer, press Command D to duplicate. Now we have 2 logo layers. Move the second logo layer a few seconds to the right. That way it'll appear a couple seconds after the first stroke. Let's go into the settings for the second logo and change the color to blue. Let's go back in and change the color to gold. Duplicate the logo layer again. Let's change this one to a brighter yellow. Let's move that third logo layer, a couple seconds to the right, so they each appear at their own time. Let's make another duplicate of the logo layer. And let's make this stroke white. Move it to appear after the other strokes. Highlight all logo layers and go up to Effects and Presets and find the glow effect. Apply that to the logo layers. And let's find another effect. Look for the CC Radial Fast Blur and apply that as well. Okay, let's make a unique logo reveal. Go down to layers, make another duplicate of the logo layer. Now open toggle arrow for that, open effects, and erase all effects on this logo layer. Okay, now you have a logo layer with absolutely no effects to it. Open opacity by Command T. Hit the stopwatch, set a keyframe. Go a few seconds backwards. Set the percentage to 0. Now highlight all the other logo layers. Hit T for opacity. Set a keyframe for all those. Now go a frame ahead. And set the percentage for those layers to 0. Now let's bring in the optical flare. Move it on top of all the other layers. Press T for opacity. Now go a few frames after the logo reveal. And set the opacity to 100%. Go a few more frames ahead. Set opacity to 0. And now we have Flair to go with our logo reveal. Press U to show all your keyframes and highlight them, and press F9 to ease them. Go back to Files and bring in the light leak. Move into the project on top of all the other layers. Now you can adjust it so it appears with our logo reveal. Make sure to change the light leak and optical flare mode to screen. Now press the spacebar to preview your animation. Now let's bring in the sound. Drag the file into the project. Then move it down to the bottom of the layers. You always put the sound at the bottom of the layers. And then you just adjust it to when you want the sound to play. And that's how I made my YouTube intro. Thank you for watching and join us next week.